Hello and welcome back to my channel. A lot of time has passed since my last upload, but today I'm back with a new project. Although it's called Winter Wonderland, yours doesn't necessarily need to be a winter one. You can make an album with the same layout as I did and use different designer paper to make it more suitable for the theme you've chosen. First, I'm showing you how the album looked before I've added pictures and embellishments. This way you can see the basic elements of the album. Later in the video I will also show you the final look. To decorate this album, I've also used art supplies that were sent to me by Artisa. Artisa is an art supplier that offers quality products at affordable prices. Besides the crafting supplies, they also offer different types of artistic paints, papers, canvases, and more. Before completing the order, use my code that will get you 10% of the entire purchase. All products from Artisa that I've used to make this album are linked in the description below. I can't wait to show you how I will use them in the projects that I've already planned to do next. I'm currently editing a tutorial for today's album and it should be on my YouTube channel next week. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a tutorial when I upload it. I'm so excited when I see the pictures of your beautiful crafts, and I would be more than happy if you would send them to me on my Instagram or you can also tag me in your posts so I can see them. I hope you will enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week with a tutorial for today's album and a little sneak peek for my next project.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. All that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we